Late summer is an excellent time for gardeners to extend their growing season and continue harvesting fresh, homegrown vegetables. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you on a month-by-month journey through the late summer planting process, offering valuable tips and advice for each stage. Get ready to embrace the joys of gardening and relish the flavors of homegrown vegetables throughout the late summer months. Month 1, August. Choosing the right vegetables, opt for heat-tolerant varieties like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and zucchini, which thrive in the August heat. Preparing your garden, clear out spent crops, amend the soil with compost, and ensure proper drainage to set the stage for successful late summer planting. Timing matters. Start seeds indoors for cool weather crops like kale, spinach, and lettuce to transplant later in the month or early September. Month 2, September. Sowing seeds and transplanting. Directly sow seeds of fast-maturing vegetables like radishes, carrots, and beets. Transplant seedlings of cool weather greens into the garden for a continuous harvest. Watering and irrigation. Increase watering frequency to ensure newly sown seeds and transplants receive adequate moisture during the lingering summer heat. Protecting from pests. Monitor for pests and deploy natural pest control methods to safeguard your growing crops. Month 3, October. Extending the growing season. Utilize row covers, clochets, or cold frames to extend the growing season for tender crops like lettuce, kale, and Swiss chard. Planting fall favorites. Plant fall-friendly vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cauliflower for a late-season harvest. Harvesting and storing. Begin harvesting matured vegetables and implement proper storage techniques to preserve the quality and freshness of your produce. Late summer is a treasure trove for avid gardeners seeking to continue their vegetable growing journey. By following this month-by-month guide, you can make the most of the late summer season, successfully planting and cultivating a wide variety of delicious vegetables. Embrace the opportunity to grow your food and experience the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, homegrown produce. With careful planning and a green thumb, your late summer vegetable garden will reward you with a flavorful bounty to enjoy throughout the season and beyond.